How to dispute credit report error on Credit Karma. First of all, open your browser and go to the official Credit Karma website. Log in using your account credentials. Once you are on the dashboard, scroll down to the section where your credit reports are shown. Choose either TransUnion or Equifax depending on where the error appears. Now carefully review your credit report. Look for the inaccurate information you want to dispute. This could be a wrong account balance, a duplicate account, or a payment marked as late when it wasn't. When you find the error, click on it. You will see an option to dispute the item. Click on that button. Next, you will be asked to choose a reason for your dispute. Select the most accurate reason from the list provided, or write a short explanation if needed. Then submit your dispute directly through the platform. You might be asked to upload supporting documents to back up your claim, like statements or letters. Once you submit the dispute, Credit Karma will forward it to the appropriate credit bureau and they will start your investigation. You can track the progress of your dispute from the same section in your account. It usually takes around 30 days to get a result. Now you know how to dispute a credit report error on Credit Karma. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more financial tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.